Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display close roads on your map on the QLD Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the plus icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the second option, the closed icon, and just click that. And new, you can check the closed routes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.